Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. Today I'm bringing you a Hobby Lobby haul. I went and found some absolutely awesome clearance deals, 66% and 90% off. So if you want to see what I got, stick around and we'll jump right into it. And the first things that I picked up were these couple items for my daughter. My husband and I are building her a vanity. And so when we were in Hobby Lobby the last time, she was looking at these and she wanted them for her vanity to like stick makeup brushes or whatever in. I'm not sure what they're even called because this is just not my cup of tea, but she likes them. So when I hit the 90% aisle, I saw these and I remembered her wanting them, and I looked. They were regularly $21.99. and I got them for $2.19. This one was regularly $14.99, and I got it for $1.49. I am so glad I didn't get them the last time she wanted them and waited for the 90% off sale. And the next item that I got was another one of these for my daughter, little different shaped. This one was regularly $19.99, and I got it for $1.99. It has the opening at the top too, so she'll be happy with that. And with that stuff, I also found this little decorative ball. It was $11.99 regular price, and I got it for $1.19, and that will look cute with those like on her vanity. The next few items that I got, they had like a basket of just like random little items that were like pennies in there. They had these two little iron crosses with the jute twine to hang them from. They were regularly $2.99, and they had them marked down to 29 cents. So I grabbed both of those. No real plan of what to do with them yet, but I grabbed them nonetheless. I got this for my mom. It's the American flag light cover. It's not plastic. It's like thick and it's like heavy duty. It was only 59 cents. So I couldn't pass that up. That was super cute. And then this, it just was by itself, 20 cents. I grabbed it. I'm going to use it in a DIY, so I'm always grabbing stuff like this just to have on hand in my craft bin because I love doing that kind of stuff. Just like this next item, that was just a wooden block with an M, and it has like the deer head on it. I don't know if you can see that. It was regularly $6.99 and on clearance for 69 cents. And these next two items were along with all those like smaller little items, two little candle holders with the cute little ring holders, and it has the distressed spots on there. How cute is that? And these were regularly $7.99 and on clearance for 79 cents. So I grabbed both of those. And this next little sign that I saw, I absolutely fell in love with what it says because I totally believe it. And it was regularly $8.99, and I got it for 89 cents. It says it's better to have God approve than the world applaud. So that was super cute, 89 cents. The next item I was super pumped to find because I absolutely am always like finding baskets or bins or whatever to organize stuff in and store stuff in. So I saw this down the 90% aisle. It's like a bronze rust like finish. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, and it has the wood top, that super pretty wood grain, and it's like decent size, and it was regularly $21.99 and clearance for $2.19. $2 for that. How stinking cute is that for $2? Like, I can't even right now with Hobby Lobby. Next item, super cute, this lantern with the X's on the side. It's definitely like heavy duty. I don't know what this even is, but it's like heavy, and it has the light switch there to put the light in, and this was regularly $49.99. Now, I would never have paid $49.99 for this, but $4.99, that is my cup of tea. So I went ahead and picked that up. I'll find good use for that somewhere. The next two items that I picked up were these galvanized like tin buckets, and they have the markings on the bottom and going down the side there, and then it's like ribbed at the top. And this one's a little smaller than that one, but they're both decent size. This one was regularly $29.99 and I got it for $2.99. I mean, it was like incredible savings. This one was regularly $2.49 and I got it for $2.49. Can use this for a ton of different things, and I will be. I will be doing a decorate with me video and a gallery wall video coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those, and you'll see what I use a lot of this stuff for. This next item is from the spring shop, which was the 80% off. This was regularly $17.99 and I paid $3 and some change. It's like aluminum or metal, whatever it's supposed to be. And the tobacco baskets, super cute. I'll probably hang that on the wall. This I absolutely love. This is a super cute little tray. It's got the scrolling on the side. It's about 2 inches tall, I guess. And then it has like the rustic galvanized metal, but like paint distressed over it. Super cute. This was regularly $24.99. And I think I paid $6-ish for this. So that was a killer deal. That wasn't as good as the 90%, but still awesome deals in the spring shop. The next few things I got are signs. They had still a ton of signs there in the 90% off aisle, but I got the few that I wanted. This one is just the like tin with the jute twine, and it says farm to fork, grown locally. With the fork, it's all gray and white, like distressed. It was regularly $15.99. And I paid $1.59 for that. $1.59. Like, could you pass it up? This next one is super good size. I got this for my mom, and it's good size. I don't know if you can even see it all. It says, God bless the USA, with the twine outline in the United States on like the fake pallet wood with the white distressed. This was regularly $29.99 and I got it for $2.99. Super killer deal there. Definitely a steal on these signs. You know how much their signs can be in there, even if you get them at 40% off. This next one was another one. It was $24.99 that I got for $2.49. It's got the galvanized metal around the frame, and it says His mercies are new every morning with the wreath around there and the black background. I was definitely excited about this one. And $2. I mean, you couldn't beat any of these. They were such a steal. But these next two signs were the ones that I was most excited about, because I'm redoing my master bedroom and I've been wanting 2 signs to go above my bed, and I've been waiting for the perfect ones, and here I found them in the 90% off aisle for $2.49. Has the galvanized ribbed metal on the back and then the tin, and it has with the black writing, I'm her mister, with the arrow, and then the wood frame. Absolutely the whole package, everything that I love. And this one says I'm her mister, and this one says I'm his missus. And these were both regularly $24.99 and I got them for $2.49. I'm so glad that I waited and hit the 90% aisle and found these to go over my bed. I'm like so beyond excited about that. The stack of stuff. And the last item that I got was this big old monstrous thing. It's all iron, it's super heavy, and it spins around. And it has these 3 containers, and you can take them off, put them on the top, the bottom, rearrange them however you want. And this baby was regularly $99.99, and it was on clearance for $9.99. Regularly $100 for this. Not in a million years. But $9.99, $10. I definitely wasn't passing it up for that. So I'll be finding a good use for that. So if you guys want to see those future videos of the decorating and where I use all this stuff, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on them when they go live. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.